Hey, job snatchers and career navigators. We are on tip number 12. Tip number 12 is one of my favorites. Clean up that damn social media. So, when you post, anything you put online can be found. I know people feel, oh, it's private, it's this, it's that. If there's a will, there is a way. You will be able to get your social media seen, especially in today's day and age. There is a way around everything. So, I don't care if your page is private. Please make sure that you clean up your social media. Take 10-15 minutes right now after you watch this video to go through your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. I know Twitter seems like the most common place to speak your mind, but be mindful what you put in the internet, what you put out in the world wide web. Anybody can find it. And if you are potentially going after a job that is high profile, if you're going after any job for that matter, a lot of hiring managers, recruiters, and people who do the actual hiring will make sure to look you up. They will make sure to not only Google you, some companies have different software that they can go through and pull up your social media. So take 10-15 minutes right now after you finish this video. Go through your social media. We're too old to do any hand gestures in photos. We're too old to have drinks in photos. So make sure you are aware of what you are putting out onto the internet because anybody can see it. Be diligent, stay resilient, and keep applying.